In this photo, you can see a quote-unquote rose made of two galaxies, which was taken 11 years ago by the Hubble Space Telescope on December 17, 2010 with the Hubble's WFC-3, or Wide Field Camera 3. This image is a composite of data taken with 3 filters on WFC-3 that allow a broad range of wavelengths covering the ultraviolet, blue, and red portions of the spectrum. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched April 1990, and this image was a highlight of Hubble's 21st anniversary. The larger of the spiral galaxies, also known as UGC 1810, has a disk that is tidally distorted into a rose-like shape by the galaxy below it exerting a gravitational tidal pull. The galaxy below it is known as UGC 1813. This pair is known as ARP273. The larger galaxy in ARP273 has a mass that is 5 times that of the smaller galaxy. It lies in the constellation Andromeda, not in the galaxy Andromeda, and is roughly 300 million light-years away from Earth. If you look closely, the image shows a tenuous tidal bridge of material between the two galaxies that are separated by tens of thousands of light-years. A series of uncommon spiral patterns in the large galaxy hints at interaction between the two. The large outer arm appears partially as a ring, a feature that is seen when galaxies that are interacting pass through one another. This suggests that the smaller galaxy actually dive deep but off-center through the larger companion. The inner set of spiral arms is highly warped out of the plane, with one of the arms going behind the bulge and coming out the other side. How these two patterns connect is still not precisely known. A possible mini-spiral may be visible in the spiral arms of the larger galaxy towards the upper right. That concludes it for today's video. If you enjoyed that video, feel free to drop a like and a sub. Those are both greatly appreciated. See you in the next video. Goodbye.